Hello everyone, I just want to do a quick video on gold and silver. As you all probably know, a couple of days ago we had this very large drop on both gold and silver, and in response to that I had quite a few emails asking me what my thoughts were on gold and silver going forward. Now first of all I just want to say I don't really take any notice of the fundamentals, so I have no idea what the cause of that drop was. I don't go and try and hunt out the newspapers and find out what the reason was, because in my opinion it doesn't matter. Okay, I just read the charts for how they are. The charts tell me all I need to know. So when I look at this chart now, I'm not looking at that going, oh my god, there's a big drop, what's happened fundamentally, what's changed, the thoughts on silver. Not at all. I'm just saying, what are the charts telling me? And what the charts are telling me is that we had this strong consolidation period through here, which lasted for quite a few weeks. Then price broke out of it for this most recent move and pushed up hard. And then with this sell-off that we just recently had, price has pushed all the way back down to the top of this consolidation box, but was able to push on through it, but then was rejected out of that consolidation zone and closed above that level. So that which was resistance has now turned into support, that nice strong level there. It held above that level. Now, based on our highs and lows, we're still putting in higher lows and we're still putting in higher highs. So the trend is still intact there. The trend has not changed. It is still clearly up. We've held nicely above this strong support level. Now we've put in a smallish green bearish candle here. Now if the high of this candle can be broken, this could just be this, this uptrend resuming itself, and that could present some really good opportunities either on this time frame or drilling down to lower time frames. So the way I'm going to be playing this going into the final session of the week is that I'm going to be looking for breaks at the top of this bar and then trying to drill down to lower time frames to find good trading opportunities. So that's my thoughts for silver, and I think there's no reason why we can't see these old highs retested in the coming days, if not weeks. Now on gold, gold had a more aggressive sell-off than silver and wasn't looking as strong leading into that the most recent sell-off. What you can see here on gold is that we too had a fairly strong consolidation zone going back some time, where we had a strong resistance point there and a fairly strong support point through here. It broke up, the most recent move has broken up through that and out of that consolidation area, but wasn't able to push up as strongly as silver was. Now, from this sell-off has occurred now, it was able to smash through this support level and through this lower support level here as well. Now, however, we put in our highs and lows, we're no longer an uptrend, are we? We've still got higher highs, but we've got a lower low. So we've got no trend there on that daily chart. So that for me doesn't give me any clear direction. Yes, I can drill down to lower time frames and maybe go and have a look at the 4 hour or the 1 hour, but those two now look like they're in downtrends as opposed to the uptrends. So I don't have that clear direction on gold as I do on silver. So what are my thoughts on gold for the next few days, for the next week? I'm just going to be sitting on my hands, waiting and seeing, letting gold play its hand and show its hand to me first before I make any decision. So I've got no real outlook for that going forward. Whereas I think silver's presenting some really good opportunities for tomorrow and also leading into early next week. Now for those who are Trader Precision graduates, I'm sure you all spotted this, that this setup is actually what we called a precision lifestyle trade on the daily chart, or a daily PLT. Now for those who didn't spot that or don't know what the PLT trade is, we've actually got a free webinar on March the 6th where you can come along and you can learn all about the PLT trade. So all you need to do is come along to traderprecision.com/free webinars, or if you come to our homepage you'll see the link up here. That will bring you to this page and you can register there to watch that webinar. Okay, I hope you all have a great weekend and I'll speak to you early next week.